Hi there, I'm Harry and I'm here to talk to you today about some English words and vocabulary, and the words I'm looking at today are seems, looks and appears, and other differences and how we use them. So seems, S-E-E-M-S, looks, L-O-O-K-S, appears, A-P-P-E-A-R-S. Okay, on the first look at these words, they have the very same meaning, and if you're learning English at the beginner's level or at intermediate level, really I would explain to you that there is no real difference, and you can use one instead of the other, and you can interchange them as much as you wish. As you get on to learn English at a more higher level, a sort of upper intermediate and beyond that, then there can be some subtle but small differences to them. So, for example, it looks as if he's not coming around this evening. You've organised a dinner, your friend is invited, you've got some other friends there, and you're looking at the watch and it's gone 8 o'clock and he hasn't arrived yet. So you turn to your other friends and say, it looks as if Sean isn't coming. It seems as if Sean isn't coming. I invited him, but he said he would be here. Yeah? It appears as if Sean isn't coming. He would usually be here by now. So in that example, it's a party, he hasn't arrived when you invited him. It looks as if he isn't coming. It appears as if he isn't coming. And it seems as if he isn't coming. They all have exactly the same meaning. Okay? If there's any difference between them, when we look at looks and appears, we're talking about something visual, something that we might see. It looks as if Mary is upset. It appears as if Mary is upset. So when we see Mary, she's sitting there, she's maybe a little sad or a little melancholy, perhaps she might be crying, but she certainly looks upset. So we can say she looks upset, she appears upset. But if we seems is an opinion, okay? So we use looks and appears when we're physically looking at something or somebody, and seems when we're just giving an opinion. It seems as if the weather is going to change. I was reading in the paper yesterday that there's a cold front coming, so it seems as if the weather is going to change. But if you look out the window, it looks like it's raining, or it appears to be raining from here. I can't really see. Well, that's it for today, but remember to subscribe to my channel and join us on www.englishlesson via Skype. And before I forget, if you look at the link below, you'll get access to all of our wonderful courses about grammar and other aspects of English. And we've just launched a really great course about common mistakes in English and how to avoid them. And it's really getting a lot of coverage, so you can get in there and buy it. So I'll catch up with you again soon.